Is your Epson printer refusing to print in color? Maybe your documents are coming out in black and white, or some colors are missing altogether. Don't worry, this is a common issue and in most cases, it's easy to fix. If you need immediate assistance, you can call the support numbers displayed on the screen. Otherwise, stay with me as I walk you through 3 effective methods to get your Epson printer printing in color again. Let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Print a nozzle check page. On your printer's control panel, go to Maintenance and press OK. Select Printhead Nozzle Check and then press OK. When prompted, load a sheet of A4 paper into the printer and press OK again. Once the nozzle check page prints, inspect the pattern carefully. The lines should appear completely and evenly printed without any gaps. If you notice broken, faded, or missing lines, press the X button and then press OK to continue. On the confirmation screen, press OK once more. Your printer will automatically begin cleaning the printhead. Let us know in the comments which Epson printer model you're using. We may create a dedicated troubleshooting video for your printer. Method 2. Replace the color ink cartridges. From the printer's control panel, use the right arrow button to navigate to Maintenance and then press OK. Scroll down using the down arrow until you see ink cartridge replacement and then press OK. When the replacement screen appears, press OK to continue. Open the printer's top cover when prompted. Carefully remove the old color ink cartridges. Insert the new color cartridges into the correct slot until it clicks into place. Close the printer cover securely. On the printer's display, select Complete and press OK. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that the cartridge replacement has been completed successfully. If your printer still isn't printing color correctly, let's move on to the final method. Method 3. Perform printhead cleaning. On the printer's control panel, navigate to Maintenance using the right arrow button and press OK. Scroll down to Printhead Cleaning and press OK. When prompted, press OK to start cleaning process. Wait while the printer completes the cleaning cycle. You'll see a progress indicator on the display. Do not turn off the printer during the process. Once the cleaning is complete, select Check to print another nozzle check page. Review the print pattern to confirm that all colors are printing clearly and without any missing lines. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.